Hello, today we've got a couple of faulty DS consoles. One's a red DSi, one is a black DS Lite. The DS Lite powers on, but the top and bottom screen are damaged. Does the touch screen work okay? Yep, that seems to calibrate all right. Quit. System shuts down to see if it reads a cartridge. Try that again. Yep, so it's reading games, so it just needs a top and bottom screen. And then this one, the DSi, yep, volume works okay. Reads a game, but the R button doesn't work. So I think we'll start with this one. Pop it open, and hopefully it will just be a matter of cleaning out the contacts on the right button. I'm not going to know until we get in there. Now, the description for these on eBay wasn't very good. It just said, what did it say actually? Faulty Nintendo DSi and DS Lite. So there was no description of the faults, and that was £25 delivered for the pair of them, which is a little bit more than I'd like to pay. But in my defence, I've just woken up with a massive hangover on Saturday morning and saw them and bought them. So, top tip, don't shop whilst potentially still drunk / hungover, because you end up buying things you've got no idea what they are. Right, so it's the right one that's playing up. There's the old IPA, good dose of that in there. I mean, I might as well do the left one whilst I'm in here. Right, get loads of that in there, and I'll leave it and come back to this shortly. Right, let's stick this back on and see if that has resolved the issue. There we go. There we go, look. Right button works. And the left button works. Happy days. So, apart from screwing that back together, which I shall do now, this one is sorted. So that was a nice, quick, easy fix. Again, just a bit of grime in the buttons and they don't work. So all that needed was just a quick clean and we're good to go on that. The black DS Lite, however, is going to require a full stripped down screen change and everything. I've got a couple of screens to hand, a new screen for the top, because I don't often get machines in that are faulty that don't have a broken top screen, unfortunately. But we're going to recycle an old lower screen. I've got a few of them in case they don't work, but we'll check and see which one's which. But, right, so that's the red one done. Pop that out of the way, and then we'll move on to this one. Get this stripped down. Where's that timing? There it is. And of course we'd best hoik out the stickers that cover the screws. It makes a change that the hinge isn't gone. Excellent. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is replace the lower screen. Pop that out. take this one. Well, that's a DSi screen, so that's no good. Let's try this one. And all I want to do is just make sure that the picture comes up. Oh, you absolute idiot. I need to put that on first. Yep, that one's fine. So we can use that bottom screen. So poke it back out. Take the black one that's got the broken screen. We're going to remove the digitizer. Pop that straight in there and do the same for the red one. Excellent, that's in there nicely. So now that's on. Right, so we can pop that out of the way. That part of it is done. Now we just need to get into the top. And then let's get the new screen. I'm going to bring that back for a second. Just because I want to peel this off here. Yep, that's stuck on properly. Excellent. Now that can go out of the way. And we can get to blobbing a bit of solder. onto those. And then the same for this side. Albeit this time red at the top. Now, I need to roll this up. Obviously these need to, yep, that's it, come round inside there, that can go. And there we should have everything in place. See if I can reuse these sticky tabs. Right. Yep, that's back in those. Get our radio wires back through. nuts back in. Let's poke this through here. And apart from getting this to sit in the correct side, there we go. Now comes the fun part, trying to get this Wi-Fi cable back under the cartridge port. It's my least favourite job of all of these, as I've told you many times. Oh, right, back from a cheeky phone call, back to the misery of trying to put this under there. Come on. Be a first time magic wonder. No, I didn't think so. Aha, but second time lucky, I'll take that. Oosh. Yep, I'll have a bit of that. Right. Let's get these L&R buttons back on. Perhaps I could use some real tweezers. There's one. Two. Right, we need to put the volume rocker back in the shell. And of course all the screws need to go back in, but I don't need to do that all on camera. What we need to do now is put a couple of screws in, just to make sure it's all working, and then I'll let you get on with your day whilst I finish reassembling this. So hopefully power's on, top screen looking good. Excellent. Well, I'm going to crack on putting that back together. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.